Hi, today I'm so excited to introduce to you the new ThinkPad Z13. This product's modern progressive design, enhanced collaboration story, and sustainability efforts bring a new innovation to the ThinkPad portfolio. Here we have our new bamboo and sugarcane fiber packaging. This packaging is 100% recycled renewable and also 100% home compostable. The Z13 also comes in new color material choices. So here you can see we have the Arctic Gray and the Bronze Vegan Leather. This brings a new innovation to the classic ThinkPad Black portfolio that we all know and love. The ThinkPad Z13 also has ultra narrow bezels, which allows it to have the largest screen to body ratio in the ThinkPad portfolio. Here you can also see the new 120 millimeter haptic force pad, edge-to-edge keyboard, and integrated fingerprint reader here on your keyboard to drive that modern design. We also have a new communications bar up here across the top with an integrated premium FHD and IR camera that allows users to work from anywhere in the hybrid world that we all have come to know today. The Z series is also available in up to a 2.8K OLED panel display, and it's equipped with Dolby Audio and voice. We also have a new software integrated into the classic track point here on ThinkPad. So if you double click this track point button, you'll be able to access a communications quick menu that allows you to customize elements of your PC, such as your mute detection and your track point buttons here across the top. The Z series is also powered by the AMD Ryzen 6000 processors, and it's protected by ThinkShield, so you don't have to worry about security when it comes to this device. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, since it is a ThinkPad, the Z13 has the same durability, reliability, and reputation that the industry has come to know and love for the past 30 years. I'm so excited to share this product with you today, and I hope you love the Z13 as much as I do.